Hi folks, once again this is Zulfi Ali bringing you the latest news with some inspiration and humor. So let's begin. What's happening in America? Today is 12th February, Friday 2021. The latest news is today is the second day of impeachment trial against the former President Trump. The defense made their case in favor of the President Trump, and they said the reason they gave was it was an uprising by the people who were dissatisfied with the outcome of the result of the elections. So that's the reason they have given, and they use the word Antifa. Mostly it is a word that's used against all the people who are dissatisfied and there's an uprising, and they had the attack on the Capitol on January 6, 2021, as a lot of people must have recollected from that, remembered from that particular event. So the impeachment trial is going on, the people who are dissatisfied and all. So what's going to be the outcome? The second thing they mentioned was that a former president cannot be impeached again, and particularly the second time. So let's see what's going to happen. The result, it will most likely be decided by the Senate on Monday or Tuesday. And as we get the latest news, we intend to bring it for all the viewers around the world. The second thing that's coming up is 14th February is celebrated as Valentine's Day, mostly in the West and a lot of other countries all around the world. So this year also the 14th February happened to fall on a Sunday, and we're going to show you all the businesses are ready with the, things people celebrate by offering gifts to their Valentines. You can see over here we got all these gifts people give it to all their Valentines. Now, just to give you a brief idea how this Valentine Day started. It is said that there was a Saint Valentine was a preacher and a priest who in the Roman Empire, and Emperor Claudius had banned the marriages of the soldiers because Emperor Claudius thought like soldiers, once they get married, they are not good soldiers. So he banned the marriages, and Saint Valentine used to secretly get the soldiers married. Then having found out, Emperor Claudius arrested Saint Valentine and he was put in jail. This happened around in the 3rd century, 296, somewhere around 296 AD. And then he was convicted and he was sentenced to death. So officially Saint Valentine was martyred on 14th of February in the year AD 496, I believe, by Emperor Claudius. And then later on by the Romans, since this was a Christian feast that they celebrated in the middle of February, so they joined this as a Christian feast holiday, and this became a Valentine's Day. What happened initially was they said Saint Valentine had special powers also. While in jail, he fell in love with the jailer's daughter, and in the end, when he was taken for conviction, for being martyred, he wrote a letter to the jailer's daughter, and he wrote, "Your Valentine." And then it was declared Saint Valentine as a people where people exchange their love, they shared gifts. And in the 20th century, Hallmark made all the greeting cards and gifts, and this became commercially known as Valentine's Day, 14th of February every year. And since then, people express their love for all the people, their Valentine, and they try to get good companionship, and a lot of them do get married also. I have known couples who did get married on Valentine's Day, so that's what it is. Now for some inspiration, there's an Harvard study going on which says that in order to be happy, you have to maintain your relationship with all your family and friends. That's how you become happy all your life. So always stay happy. And then humor side, there's a woman all dressed up. She did the makeup and all, everything. She was going out, and the husband asked her, "Where are you going?" She said, "You know what? I'm tired of you. I'm tired of life. I'm going out to commit suicide." So the husband says, "Why you all dressed up? Why you have makeup on?" So she said, "Well, there will be press coverage. There will be news tomorrow, and there will be picture taken. So for tomorrow," so the lady got all dressed up. Though she's committing suicide, but she's all dressed up. So that's the humor. And for all the folks of World Maven TV, this is Zulfi Ali, special correspondent from USA. And last, रोगी तो दिल दुखाओगी, हंसोगी तो जीत जाओगी, चाहे मैं पास रहूं या न रहूं, जब भी सच्चे दिल से याद करोगी मुझे अपने पास पाओगी. Thank you.